like hyaluronic acid. Like, the girl literally wants your lips to be nurtured, okay? I don't know who else's lips get really like irritated and sensitive. I can never buy like a dollar store or like a beauty supply lip gloss. I start getting these little dots all over my lips like after a week of using it, and then like it'll turn, my lips will turn hard and then a little dark, and then it'll peel off. And I don't know what that is, but it always happens. There's some ingredient in like these like cheaper lip glosses that I cannot get around. But before I bought the glosses, I literally wanted to read everything and make sure that it was right for me. And here's the description on the glosses. It's a nourishing lip treatment that doubles as a high shine tinted gloss powered by hydrating hyaluronic acid and replenishing superfruit antioxidants. This innovative hybrid comes with a double-sided wand. The paddle size allows for seamless application, while the opposite side hugs contours with utmost precision. Available in 6 juicy shades that deliver a splash of high shine color. When I read that, I'm like, hyaluronic acid, like the girl literally wants your lips to be nurtured, okay? So I think when I read that, I'm like, okay, I wanna give this a try. They do go for $19 a pop, baby girl, but Afterpay is a thing. So it's definitely on Afterpay. We will pay that off in due time. So the first shade I'll be trying in the Glossy Balms is Strawberry Soda. It's this pink one right here. It looks like there's a lot of pink colors and a lot of brown, like red colors, which I'm super happy about. It's a variety and so worth the price. Let me go ahead and open it. That, and you can see the applicator is so unique. It has like a pointed tip for easy application, and it has like a smooth edge, which I really like, and it is really unique. So let's see how it looks. Okay. So this is shade 1 in Strawberry Soda. Right off the bat, I'm already really liking how it looks. I can just tell by the shade and the way it's applying that all of these are gonna be really tinted, which I appreciate. It's super simple, but y'all, like, I don't know, you can never have too many glosses. You can never have too many tinted shades. Hello? So I think r.e.m Beauty has done a really great job in creating something for everyone with all of the shades, because I feel like this would look good on any shade. Oh, I actually like her. Ooh. Can I see that little tint poking out? I'm loving her so much. This is her up close. I really, really like her. I really like her. And the next shade that I'm trying is Juicebox. Juicebox is this purple shade here, and I believe it's like one of the deepest shades that she has in the Glossy Balm collection, because I mean these two are hand in hand, but like this is pretty dark. This is almost like a purple. Ooh, you can kind of see it. Kind of like half my lip. Y'all, I really, really like this shade a lot. Like, this has to be the most prettiest tint that I've ever worn. You can do tints at home, literally with eyeshadow, with any sort of like residue or like leftover lipstick, that's essentially a tint. You can buy like tints, you know, at the store and just apply gloss on top of it. Like, but this right here is just the like, I love how convenient it is. I don't have to wait till my deep berry lip. I'm gonna keep going like this. I feel like Ariana Grande does a good job in the integrity of this product and how it feels on my lips. Like, it feels sticky, but honestly, I don't mind sticky if that means that it's gonna last me for a very long time, because I don't like to reapply my lipstick or my lip gloss after 2 or 3 hours. I kind of wanted to hit that 4-hour, 5-hour stretch, and that's what this product does. Oh my gosh, I have such a good feeling about her. Let me just get to the bottom, like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my, like, literally, I just cannot get enough. You see, look at how freaking light this is. Now, when I first saw this product, I'm like, I know for a fact that's not gonna work on me, or I'm gonna have to heavily line my lips. Well, I kind of take that back, right? If you can have your perfect liner, any color can work. Any color can work. So that's not what I thought. I was just thinking, I probably wouldn't gravitate towards this icy shade, but let's see, I bought it. Ooh, let's see. Hold on now. Hold on one meow. Okay. Ooh, okay. So I don't hate this one. I do not hate this one, and honestly, it's still very tint, so it's not too bad. I still would wear this shade. I'm not mad at this one at all. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, huh, like this is way too icy, but it's kind of giving like, back in the day, like honestly, the it girls were wearing this shade. The it girls were wearing this. I know it's hard to believe, youngins that are watching my channel now, the it girls were wearing this shade. Like, you know, they had the frosty lips, and especially during like the fall, winter time, babe, they were out, they were stepping, right? So I'm not mad at this. I just know that if I were to wear this, I would wear this with a liner, or if maybe if I don't wear it with a liner, I want to be able to do like a really natural look, kind of sort of like this, and maybe not overline, because I kind of overline my lips just a little bit with the product, just so I can see how I would normally wear it. You know, this is how I normally wear my gloss. I kind of put it above my line, so you can kind of see a lot of my makeup kind of getting mixed in with it too. That's probably why it's a little frothy up there, but whatever. Ooh, y'all, wish me luck. Ooh, skinny drip with a liner is killer. Is killer. Skinny dripped with a liner is so pretty. This is skinny dripped. Y'all, please do not sleep on skinny drip. I think, okay, trying them without a liner versus trying them with a liner is absolutely insanity, because this looks so freaking good. I love her. She's so like cute. This one seems like this is gonna probably be the most natural out of all of the colors, just because my skin color is gonna match it. So it's gonna be like more of a gloss, because also my lips are melanated, and I don't think this is gonna have like that bright, you know, feel to it, because it's already super tinted. She's so cute. I love the packaging too. I love how you can also like set them down straight like this. Obviously not on my hand, but you can set them down straight. Okay, let's get ready to try Hocus Cocoa. You see? I called it. I knew this one was gonna be very natural, very subtle. I like her, she's cute. She will still get used. Each one is really special to me for different reasons. So maybe if, like, that will probably be my everyday one if I'm just like, you know, trying to line my lips and go to work. If you're dark skinned and you're trying to like venture out and you need like a new scent, a new color, Hocus Cocoa probably wouldn't be the best one to go for, but she's still nice. Let me not be as sloppy, okay? She go ahead every time. She's the chill girl. She's the one that, you know, always rely on, old trusty. She gonna get the work done. You know, you can never have too much of her. You can never put too much on. Yeah, she's 10 out of 10. So the next one I'm gonna try is Cherry Cola. I'm really excited for her because I swear by the deeper tints, those show up a little more, and those are always like so fun. So I'm ready to see something different, you know. Give her a good swirl. And let's go. Ooh. Okay, so this is Cherry Cola. I like her. She's fun, very muted, but love. Anyone that can give me that brown, reddish, pinkish tint is always gonna be a yes for me, you know? So I am not mad at this one at all. It looks very similar to the juice box, but I can't lie, that juice box color, this one right here, was different, you know. I think they have really great similarities and they both will get used on the regular. I love that tint. It's very subtle, but I think I keep saying this and I'm probably gonna repeat myself a million times in this video, please bear with me, but this is what I love. Like, I love that it's not too overwhelming and it's a shade for everyone, and almost everyone can wear every shade. Thanks, Ari. Cherry Cola is beautiful. This is Cherry Cola with the liner. And did I do a close-up? I'm not sure if I did. I think I might have. She's the last shade, but I know for a fact she's gonna be like just as cute as all of them. So, you know, let's just give her a go. And I really like this shade. I don't like, let me see. I don't know. Oh my gosh, like that shade is so pretty. Okay, so Shirley is kind of on the same wave as Hocus Cocoa. And if you don't know which one that one is, it's this one. It's the one that I said kind of looks very natural. It's just looks like a clear gloss to me. It's really pretty. That's how I described all the shades because you can barely see it. Like I'm looking in this mirror right. Hi. I'm gonna add a little bit of Shirley again. I'm gonna add Shirley. This is Shirley. How freaking cute is she? I am thoroughly satisfied with every single shade that I've tried on. This has been a journey, y'all. I literally tried on 12 shades, well, 6 shades twice with the liner, without the liner. And my lips low-key still feel really energized and still feel soft, and it doesn't feel irritated from having to wipe it off and reapply. And maybe that's the magic of like the hyaluronic acid, me not knowing, but r.e.m Beauty is great. This is my very first time purchasing anything from that line, and I'm thoroughly pleased. Trust me, if there was a shade that I didn't really like, I would be honest and tell you that it's not my favorite, but I really loved all of the shades, and I think they all have different purposes and uses. Let me put y'all on game, right? I don't know if you know this, but if you ever want to purchase any sort of makeup, wait for a holiday to come up or wait for any sort of like deals that they have. When they tell you to subscribe to their emails and text and SMS, please do that because they let you know when they're having a big sale. Juvia's Place is really good at doing that, and so are these other places. It just happened to be Memorial Day and I was shopping around and I was like, let me see what brands have items on sale. And they actually ended up having the Glossy Bombs on sale, and they were selling the whole set for $114. But if you bought it during Memorial weekend, it was Labor Day, not Memorial. I'm tripping. So it was Labor Day weekend. That's when they had a Labor Day sale, and they were selling it for $90. But low-key, I'm looking at the website right now, and it's $90 right now. So it's kind of like they kind of lied, but whatever, right? You can still get it for 90 bucks. And like I said, put it on Afterpay, so that way you don't have to worry about it. What's $20 every 2 weeks? You know what I mean? Like, you're getting paid every 2 weeks. That's coming at your little check. Like, you know what I mean? That's, you know, we don't have to eat seafood oil every 2 weeks. We can put that money aside for Afterpay to pay off the look. So I honestly would recommend this. 90 bucks, very pricey, but you're saving, let me see, you're saving about what, easy math was, you're saving $24 if you buy the entire pack. So it's like they threw in one for free because they're $19 a pop with shipping, with all the other BS. If you sign up for notifications, it being your first time, I believe they give you 10% off your first order. So you can add that along. That's another $10 off your order. So that is a win for me. These are my favorite lip combos, and you'll be seeing way more looks with these in them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for being MIA. I'm not getting into why I'm being MIA. I don't even have 10,000 subscribers yet. Hello. No, I'm just playing. But no, I'll try. You know, I be doing my thing. But I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you did, bro, what the hell? Give yourself a round of applause because I can ramble, okay? So thank you so much for watching if you did. And if you didn't, bye.